The Paracord Carabiner Keychain is made of Type 7-strand 350 paracord rope, metal ring and high-strength carabiner. There are numerous items accessible to the Paracord Keychain, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best Paracord keychain from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. EOTW Paracord Keychain. Heavy-duty parachute cord woven chain, steel key ring and carabiner. Keychain with carabiner and metal ring. Length 6.1 inches, the lanyards can untie to 47 inches. Best gift for women, men, good choice for backpack. Fashion color for choice, fashion color keychains. Choose what color you like. These EOTW Paracord Keychain provide a variety of potential uses for you. With a sturdy clip hook to hold and store your keys, or attach your keys to your backpack, briefcase, or belt loop. Heavy-duty designs make it strong enough for small things like flint scrapers, cutting tools, emergency whistle, knife, mini flashlight, scissors, etc. Premium Paracord Keychain provide good security for your outdoor essentials. The carabiner makes it easy to hang them up or clip them somewhere. This keychain with carabiner is strong but lightweight. Carabiner keychain is a great ideal gift for Father's Day, Girls and Boys Scout, men or woman's adventure, lovers outdoor dating. Number 2. The ETUCK Paracord Keychain. High-quality military-grade 3-type paracord keychain. Single rope bearing tensile strength 550 pounds. Flint fire starter with paracord keychain. Give you the ability to make a fire in any bad situation. Survival keychain quick draw function. Convenient to hang small items, never lost. Small Ulcrane and carabiner buckle. Easy for you to hook this survival keychain on your trouser belt loop. High-quality survival keychain. Reasonable price, perfect after-sale service is your best choice to buy it. The GREATRIL Paracord keyring provide variety of potential uses for you. With a sturdy clip hook to hold and store your keys, or attach your keys to your backpack, briefcase, or belt loop. Heavy-duty designs make it strong for small things like flint scrapers, cutting tools, emergency whistle, mini flashlight, scissors, etc. Number 3. The RAVSHINE 2-pack Paracord Keyring. Durable braided paracord keychain. Made of military-grade braided nylon paracord, with metal carabiner clips. Pack of 2 black paracord key rings carabiner clips. Multifunctional and practical. Variety of uses for you in indoor or outdoor. It can be used to hanging your clothes, water bottles, handbag or backpack. Keys, car keys, knife, shopping bags, flashlight, ID card holder, USB driver, umbrella, toiletry bags, key tags, emergency fire starters, survival gear, waterproof bag, luggage, keychain organizer, keychain holder, keychain gadget and multi-tool. It is also a useful stroller hook or stroller hanger for baby care belongings. Delicate and high quality, handmade braided paracord with the highest craftsmanship and material. Simple and easy use, necklace paracord lanyard design. Hand-free, can disassemble to 2 meters length. Compact collection. Survival keychain ring hook is convenient and compact for you to hook it to the bags, belts, or put it into your pocket, car, survival toolbox. You can easily take the premier parachute cord carabiner keychain to anywhere at any time. Number 4. EKLOEN 2-pack Paracord Keychain. Military-grade Type 3 7-strand 550 pounds test cord. Emergency paracord and fire starter ensures that you always have the essentials for any survival situation. Disassembled is long rope for making traps, building tents, and other emergent situations. A perfect carry for camping, hiking, and more outdoor activities. 100% new and handcrafted. There are a variety of colors to complement any style you like. Beautiful appearance and useful functions are the first choice as a gift. Pack of 8 random color. This keychain with carabiner is strong but lightweight. Carabiner keychain is a great ideal gift for Father's Day, Girls and Boys Scout, men or woman's adventure, lovers outdoor dating. Now 100% risk-free. That's right. If you are not 100% flabbergasted with your safe, sturdy and problem-solving emergency paracord keychain, we promise to buy it back from you at full price. No questions asked. What are you waiting for? Prepare yourself for your next great adventure. Number 5. Werewolves Paracord Keychain. Werewolf's Paracord Carabiner Keychain is made of Type 3 7-strand 350 paracord rope, metal ring and high-strength carabiner. Our paracord keychains are practical, durable. The braiding is tight, keychain ring and carabiner D-ring at the two ends, easily attached to a backpack, survival kit, purse, belt or anything, providing easy access. With a sturdy ring hook to hold and store your house keys, car keys, school keys, locker keys, equipment keys, work keys, and whatever other things need to not lose. This paracord carabiner keychain can hold and store your keys. Carabiner hooks can be used to hang your clothes, water bottles, backpack, shopping bags, USB driver, mini flashlight, and more. Braided paracord can be used for fishing line, shoelaces, sewing, crafting, etc. If for any reason our product doesn't meet your standards, just send it back our way for a replacement or a full refund. We are proud of the quality of our Paracord Keychain Carabiner, and we know you'll love it. This is why we back it with 100% money-back guarantee to help you buy with confidence. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.